Hello friends, so today I will show you how to add a MidJourney server in MidJourney bot in your server. Okay, so MidJourney is a very popular text to image AI server where it generates de facto the most beautiful images. So today I will show you. So you just need to first open up this code app, and in this Discord app you just open up this MidJourney server. Okay, this is MidJourney server, and what I will do now, I will now first create my own server. So first I will click on this MidJourney rooms here. So this is the overview of the MidJourney rooms. All right, so in the right hand side you can see there is one option called show and hide buttons. So in that case you need to open up the MidJourney board in the right hand side downside. All right, so that is the main thing. And next thing what I just want to show is you need to set up your own server first. So you can just give any random name to your server. So in the right hand side you can see in the left bottom left third menu is there, add a server. Okay, so just hit the button add a server. So it will it will ask you to create one options, create my own server and for me and my friends. Okay, so just give the hit button, and here you just need to give any name. Say for example I will give you a random name like a pop-up music server. So this is my pop-up music server which has been created. So you can see these are similar like a MidJourney server, but it is my own server. Now what I will do, I will add a MidJourney bot in this server, and whatever the MidJourney features are there, I will access it from here itself. Alright, so this is one feature which is quite popular. Now I will go back to the MidJourney bot and I will select any newcomers room. Okay, and we'll click on this show buttons and click on the MidJourney bots, and here the important thing is add to server. So I will click on this add to server. So this server MidJourney bot server will be add in my server. Okay, so whatever function here people are doing or I want to do, the same can I do in my own server, so there will not be any disturbance. Alright, so I'll click on add to my bot, and yeah, just select in your server this is pop-up music which I have selected, and hit the authorize button. So it will ask you it is like a 4.6 million users are using this server. Alright, so I will hit the next button and it will ask whether I am human or not. Of course I am human, so I will just select all this photograph in this pop-up. So and hit I will hit verify. Alright, so this has been authorized. So this now I will go back to my pop music server. Here I can see that in the right hand side MidJourney bot has been added. Alright, so here I can just simply type hi XYZ message, so bot will be activated. Now in the right hand side you can see pop-up window is there. That is a very beautiful thing. So I can add any movies or any videos or anything. Now I can use the same features of MidJourney here.